Hôm nay mình giới thiệu đến các bạn một cái chứng bệnh của cái xe Mỹ ha. This is 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter Voltac engine 4x4. All right, now okay, this is how it look like. Good shape, but the problem is engine light flashing. See that? See the engine light flashing? The yellow light? That engine, I look like misfire. Alright, let's see which cylinder misfire. What I'm gonna do, I have this. Here we go. I got this Apollo snap-on. That's a $6,000 scan tool. Let me show you. I'm gonna hook up the OBD connector right here to communicate to the engine ECM. See what's going on with that. Now it start communicate now. Let's scan. All right. See, you can see the car shaking, right? And the checking light flashing. So it said right here 2012 right here. See that? Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the big number and everything else. Let's go with that. Now I want to go to the engine and I want to see a data system. Okay, go to misfire daughters. See which cylinder misfired. Look like it's running up. Oh, see, this vehicle have 8 cylinders. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see another one, 8 down here. You see that right there? But anyway, I'm gonna concentrate on one of the cylinder, the worst misfired right there, number 4. You see it, number 4. Misfired, constantly misfired, really bad. Okay, that's the history. Now, so first thing we gotta check the fuel injector is shooting in that cylinder 4 or not. Injector power also, we check the spot. As I know, this car, the guy doing a new coil and new, what you call, chain. He already changed new spark plugs and new ignition coil. See? He got all, he tried everything. But he told me, the owner said, he told me he changed all the coil and spark plugs, but look, not the ignition wire, but I'm gonna check that too to see the spot. Okay, we'll let you know what's going on next. All right. Alright. Hello các bạn. Hello. After diagnosis, all the cylinder compressor number 4, low compressor on that one, really bad. So, and also I hear rocking sound inside the engine block. So something is going on inside the hydraulic lifter. I believe that is hydraulic lifter on that cylinder number 4 problem. So what I have to do is we have to remove everything. We gotta remove the front end here, radiator, AC condenser, frame right in front here. Start remove all these. What we need to do is we need to take this cylinder head out. Okay, and I'm sure one of these hydraulic lifter underneath number 4 over here got a problem. And what we gotta do is when we change the hydraulic lifter on that, we have to do this side too, because I have to take the camshaft right here in the center of the engine, going from here all the way to the back there. So I'll take it out. We'll show you the next step. Okay, what it look like. All right, this will take it for a while. Okay. All right, here we go. Hey, 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 hey. Whew. I take this stupid intake. There's an exhaust manifold. Okay, probably I got a new gasket for it. I don't care. I just throw it away. Man. Okay, I got one cylinder head out. This one here. Oh yeah. We inspected why this shit is no good. Okay. Now I gotta go this side. Now, gotta take it out. Stupid technique to take that out. Okay, cylinder head bent. I think I bent two. Bent one. There it is. I'm leaving it here somewhere right here. Còn nhiều chuyện quá. Take a lot of time to record it. Okay. So far, so good. Ah. Naked ra đó. Bây giờ mình phải hạ cái oil pan nó xuống, release cái oil pump pickup tube, and then remove cái oil pump này ra, xong mình mới turn, line it up, the top center or timing mark in order to release this bolt right here. Mình sẽ lấy con ốc này ra, ốc này nè, rồi mới lấy cây này ra, lấy cục này ra, xong rồi mới lấy cái camshaft ra. Okay, I see you later. Hello my friend. So it being a few days, I have been breaking the engine apart, open apart, cylinder head out. Problem is cylinder 4 misfire. So I found the problem is the lifter on this side is damaged on number 4, right here I believe, right here, this one over here. So I changed this camshaft and changed all these hydraulic lifter, alright, along with the timing chain tensioner. It broke off anyway, the spring it fall off, so all the gasket shit like that. Now I just get it done. Car running well now. Let's see, it's a piece of tensioner. Okay, see, the car running. See, take me a few half a day to put it back together. Believe me or not, both sides cylinder head, all that hydraulic valve, lifter, this side and that side, new motor in, everything ain't coolant, AC charge. The truck can go back to the way it looked now. Running smooth. Awesome, isn't it? Alright. And no more check engine light flashing. You can see the dashboard, no light flashing. And that traction control light, that's something with the ABS sensor or something. So that has nothing to do with the engine. We see. Alright, so far so good.